Hi guys. A microservice is a small single service offered by company. It gains from the distributed computing architecture that connects many small services rather than having one large service. The microservice can then be delivered to an application programming interface API. Microservices extend from the idea that a company provides a large single service. Microservices come as individual functions. Microservices are very simple. Simplicity is a primary goal. They can be thought of like roles in a company. One microservice serves very particular role and has just one job to do. Microservice can also be illustrated through graph. When one microservice is a single node, that communication to the another service with API. The architecture can grow and grow as more services are tracked onto the system. A microservice architecture is used in MDO for SMAPI, Marriott Food Service, MyDocs, ULP, email service, SFTP connector and MYP 2.0 architecture, and we will continue to build the platform in the same style. Thank you.